Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Saida Shastrabatul. Very happy new year to all of you. I hope you have enjoyed your new year night as due to coronavirus and this pandemic situation 2020 years. Of course we just have enjoyed while sitting at home. Being introvert for me, it was not very difficult to deal with all this situation. But for my all extrovert fellows, I feel really sad for you, and I hope this year will be very good. And even though I'm introvert, but still I feel like all the people who are sitting at home and whole the year there was a fear, there was also tears. So dealing with that sadness and of course with that frightened situation, oh, it was very difficult for all of us. Either we are introvert, either we are extrovert. The situation was difficult for all of us. So I hope this year will be very good. We are not going to sit home all the years, and we are going to enjoy our life as we are doing in 2019. So wish you all the best. This was the intro for this year. Okay, moving towards today's videos. I am going to start with my punchline, as I believe that our content presents our soul. And all the soul in this world, they are looking for their soulmates. There is a common myth that some souls tend to live alone. I don't believe on it. I think so that they are not able to cope with the mentality of the different person. So that's why they tend to being alone. But actually, they are looking for compatible and stress-free relationship. Even we all are looking for compatible and stress-free relationship. A person can compromise at any length if he is in love, or if we can say we are blind in love. But as a human being, we all want comfort. Overall, we like the comfort. Even in the relationship, we want the comfort. So that's why we believe on the partner who provides us the comfort in the relationship or understanding in the relationship. That's what, according to me, is the relationship and love. I think so. Same you feel, or you did not notice. But do you think about your relationship? What do you think that it should be like? I want you to comment down. My channel is tiny channel so far, but I hope one day it will be a very big channel, and I will see the comments section filled with your opinion, your suggestions. So that's why I am saying like this. Uh, you can take me optimistic. Yes, I can label myself optimistic because at this stage, if I'm saying that comment down, comment down, it means that I am so much optimistic. But I hope one day my comment section will be filled with your opinion, with your suggestion. I have done almost all zodiac sign except then two, and today I am going to discuss. Actually, the relationship astrology is completely a subjective matter. As far as two-person comes into consideration, most people they are resulting into the toxic relationship, and they are too much. They have too much clashes. So astrology has so much to do in your life. So if you know proper traits of your partner, and how to deal with them, it would be very easy for you to understand your relationship. Yes, I can 100% assure you, because as per my own experience, before I did not knew, as per my own experience, I did not know how to tackle the different personalities. Yes, of course, once we start a relationship, we are not that kind of mature to handle all our conflicts and our arguments. Of course, the solution lies in the hands of individuals, and they can try to solve if they want. But mostly the things comes into the different way: clashes, arguments, conflicts, tears, sorrows. To handling all this, you need so much patience, and you also need so much maturity level. To dealing with the maturity level, as per my own opinion, this is what I personally think I'm sharing with you guys, because this channel, the main purpose of creating this channel was to talk to you directly what I was thinking. You have right to object me, or you have right to contradict my opinion, because you have your own mindset, you have your own views. But as per my personal experience, and after living a relationship for a long period of time, I just came to know that only understanding your partner and only understanding their behavior, you can sort out many issues. I mean, you can make your home peaceful. If you are with any person, if you know their nature, their likes and their dislikes, it's very easy for you to handle them, because we all human beings, we all have the good qualities, we all have the bad qualities. So we cannot say that all humans are bad or all humans are good. Even if the come across the bad qualities, if we talk about the bad qualities of the person, then to that are the bad qualities. The person is not bad. Bad qualities can be changed. Bad nature can be improved. No one is bad in this world. All have right to be a good. All have right to show their good side to the others, being appreciated. All have right to improve themselves, and all individuals have right to live happily, which is my main purpose. So today we are going to discuss about the two zodiac sign. I always start with the negative traits, actually, but it doesn't mean that they are only negative. I just describe their weak points or weak traits. So today I am going to discuss about the two zodiac sign, whom are bit stubborn, materialistic, manipulative, and also um, fair enough in their opinion. I will go to the first zodiac sign, whom are materialistic, practical. I will say instead practical, materialistic, bit stubborn, and do not pay heeds to the advice of others when they are going to take any decisions, are Libras. I'm laughing to say this. It doesn't mean that I'm making fun of them. As I have already explained in my previous video, that I'm habitual to smile and laugh. Yeah, it doesn't mean that I make fun of anyone. Yes, don't take it on your heart. For me, the Libras, not for me, as per astrologers, the Libras, they are materialistic, they are practical, and they are a bit stubborn also. If you are going to give to them any advice, or if you're going to tell them the reality of the ground reality of the life, and also the negative traits of their or or the consequences of any decision which they are going to take, or what that decision is going to affect on their life. The Libras are the one who are not going to bother you at all once they take any decision. Yes, mostly people say that Taurus are the stubborn. At least Taurus take into the considerations pros and cons of anything, and they take so long to decide about anything. But once we talk about Libras, they are always in hurry. They don't take long to decide anything. They don't take long to get into the relationship. They are flirtatious. Yes, they are flirtatious, and the thing uh, about them is that they don't bother to hurt anyone. Once they are fed up with the relationship, they are going to leave you. And even though they are in the relationship and they think that their partner is socially not acceptable, or either they think that this relationship is going to be toxic, they start putting their powers to get out of the love which they feel in their heart. Yes, this is the way they deal with their love life, because most of the time they think that social they always take social values first and then their love life. Basically, they are very compassionate. If we talk about the personality of the Libra, they are one of the most beautiful and influencer, positive, kind, passionate, lovely, and also uh, you can see that one of the fierce people on the earth. Yes, once you are going to talk with the Libra, you will find them fair enough dealing with their decision powers or dealing with the peoples. If some peoples, if they are surrounded with the group of the people and they feel like there are some conflicts going or rising between the people, they always uh, take into the consideration of opinion of the both the persons, and then they try to resolve the matter while not poking their own nose or while not bringing their own emotions into the situation. They try to be fair enough, and this is how they are properly balanced. I cannot make that. I don't have that scale to show you, which is the sign of the Libra. But yeah, the Libra, they are very fair enough while dealing conflicts, and if there is any conflict rise in their presence, they try their level best to resolve the conflict. They are mostly very quiet. They don't want to harm their peace. Mostly they don't bother to raise any conflicts, or mostly they prefer to be silent and they avoid to confront the situation. But yeah, once if we talk about this trait, this trait is also going to make them little bit negative, because they are like digging the information from the other person and taking their all secrets, and what they do, they try to manipulate that their partner later on. Yeah, if you are the partner with the Libra, take into consideration that you are not going to share your secrets with them, which you think that they can later use it to blackmail you. Of course, they are the one who are not going to give you yeah, they are the one whom you cannot rely on, or rely on in your hard time, or they will not the one who are going to back you up in the difficult situation. Instead, they are the one who are going to use your shoulder to run their own bullets. For example, if the Libras, they are in the conflict, what they do, they use their sponge mind which they already had filled with the secrets or information of the other person, and what they do, they are just going to use that information against you. So if you are the partner of the Libra, be careful that don't use your information. If you just tackle with this thing, Libra cannot manipulate you. Other than that, Libras are very good. You will enjoy their company. They are adventurous. They are lovely. Even they cannot do the social cut up. Yeah, they cannot, they're not like that people who sit alone. They always like the parties and they want to surround themselves with the people with the good uh, friends. And also they are the one who are going to throw the parties. If they think that there is something boring is happening, they are the one who is going to arrange the parties. And one more important thing why I did not mention in the beginning, that Libras are the one who are most beautiful person on the earth. Libra is ruled by Venus planet, and Venus planet is the planet of beauty. Of course, if they are very beautiful people, they surround themselves around the beautiful people and their homes are very beautiful. They always prefer to buy the beautiful thing. If you see any people who are going to be brand oriented or prefer to lead a luxurious life, you will come to know that they are the Libras, because Libras love the beauty and they are very elegant. If you find any beautiful, any elegant, classy, and charming person around you, you will come to know that they are the Libras. Libras are very hygienic people. They prefer to make their home very clean. You will never find their home dirty. Yeah, same like Virgo, they are very hygienic people. They prefer to clean their home and they always, because they are social, be around the people, so that's why they are the one who are going to keep their home very tidy, very clean, and they are also the one who is going to throw the parties. So if you are with the partner of Libra, you will enjoy their company. But only the thing which you have to avoid is to share your secrets, because later they can manipulate you. So this is their negative trait. Yes, they are manipulative and they are materialistic. If they want to leave someone, they don't bother. Okay, Libras are the most charming and calculatively very positive person, and they are the favorite of everyone. Yes, they know they are kind of pro diplomatic, because they uh, don't confront their conflicts, or they don't bring their conflict in front of everyone. They avoid the conflict. So as I mentioned earlier, that they use their partner's shoulders or someone else to bring their conflicts in front. Mostly they don't confront the people themselves. They try to avoid the conflicts. So if you will find any person who is silently observing you and feeling something bad about you, then get ready that they will bring someone else to raise the conflict. They themselves are trying, avoiding their level best to raise any conflict. But apart from all these things, they are very fair enough. If you are with the Libras and you feel like they don't want to share their all opinion, sometimes they uh, share their feelings, and sometimes they keep them secret. Yeah, they don't. They know when to hold their opinion and when to share their opinion. They almost they maintain the steadiness in the relationship. Yeah, you, if you are with the Libras, you are not going to be in the roller coaster of the relationship. They are not that emotional, or they are not going to drain your emotions. They are calm, they are cool, they are very polite, and they handle the thing politely. Yeah, if you are with the Libras, keep in mind that you are not going to be rude with them or loudmouthed, because they don't like that kind of people. The people whom they can only survive, they are polite enough. Because if we can call them pro diplomatic, but it is actually their quality to avoid the conflict. Do not raise the conflict, or do not bring all the conflicts in front of the partner. But as a partner, you should understand them, what they like and what they don't like. And if they are going to see you that you are socially acceptable and you are according to their standard and you can maintain the relationship with them, then you will really enjoy the company of the Libra. And Libra are one of the best husband in the world. As I have seen, they are very good and they know how to, and also good wives. Yeah, they because their beauty and their cleanliness and also their soft nature and their lovely nature can make the relationship uh, um, like how to say that tides in the sea and water in the sea. It's very cool, calm, and my best wishes for you, Libra, because you know yourself how to run the relationship successfully. I did not see any mostly Libra. They are very successful in their relationship. Yeah, because they know how to run the relationship, they know how to tackle the nature of the people and their politeness. Yeah, their politeness is the key of their success. Their main success is their politeness and their tackling and their handling, because most people think that they are very patient and they are always patient with everyone. So dealing with the things, if you are like Libras, it's it's very good for you. My all the best wishes for Libra, and I wish you best of the luck and all their partners to keep them in your life, because if you are not going to be according to their standard, of course the Libras are one who are going to leave you. So always try to maintain your standard to be in their life, because they are very practical people. They are materialistic and they always quantify all the things in a materialistic way. Yes, and they figure out what is beneficial for them. So it is very good if you are with the Libra. And Libra is the Libra is the if the Libra is the one who is running the home, then you will feel yourself financially secure, because they keep finance first and emotion later. They are these kind of people, but overall they are very good person, and they are also the favorite of everyone. And I my advice for the partner is to, just if you find any Libra, try to be in their life while accepting their standards, and try to be in their life while be polite. Yeah, the key to live in the life of Libra is to be polite. As much polite as you are with the Libra, you can tackle them. This is the to key of success to be in their life. I hope you will take this into the consideration, and all the people who are Libras and all their partner wish you best of luck. I hope you enjoy your life and you will have your good relationship with them. Okay.